With this treasure, she might yet be saved. Fire! Senor Ibarra's house is on fire! Hara, or indeed the brand of Alvarez, was not being for Ibarra. It would not happen at all. Senor Alvarez, I had nothing to do with what happened. I was at home retiring in state at that time. This is a frame up. I tell you, I had nothing to do with it. You don't have to explain, Senor Ibarra. The decision is not mine to give us a good soldier. I only did my duty to order the arrest of all suspected of having involvement of Ibarra. Maria Clara is getting married, and it will be a grand wedding. I tell you.
He's getting married? To whom? Talk to Ibarra is still in the jail. Will the wedding take place in the jail?
And who said she would be married to Crisostomo?
If not, whom else?
To Don Alfonso Linares, the cousin of Dr. and Doña Espedania.
Poor Ibarra. His house turned to ashes. He was in prison, and now he's about to lose his sweetheart.